Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to review the very popular Hills Everyday Single Folding Frame Clothesline. Now this clothesline has 10 lines which are spaced 100 millimeters apart, giving you 21 meters of hanging space. It is 2.2 meters wide, meaning you can put a double sheet on it, and it is 1.2 meters deep, which is from the wall to you. It has a sturdy steel constructed frame, and it also has metal brackets, and it has UV resistant plastic corners. It comes in a single colour, which is autumn stone. This clothesline, in addition to be wall mounted, which we can see here, it can also be ground mounted with the ground mount kit option available at the Clothesline Store. It is also easy to assemble and requires assembly to put it up. It comes with a full manufacturer's 10-year warranty on the frame and a 12-month warranty on the cord. It's very easy to fold up and fold down when not in use. For example, we just lift up slowly and drop it like this. As I say, it's a very popular folding frame clothesline made by Hills. So I hope this has helped you with your review of the Hills Everyday Folding Clothesline. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.